What is happening, guys? Today we're going to be discussing BlackRock reaching the 3.2 billion because the ETFs are getting some investor interest. Also, we're going to be discussing a few other pieces of news that you should really be paying attention to, so don't miss out. Don't go anywhere. Find out what those are now. Subscribe, drop a comment below, and be sure to click that bell icon. All right, so BlackRock is reaching 3.2 billion bucks because the ETFs are getting some investor attention. Well, something like that. So because it's getting more and more, IBIT is in charge. It's kind of like taking everything by storm with $137 million net inflow. So it looks like it's going to, according to BitMEX Research, it is going to aggregate to around 3.2 billion bucks. But 7 of the 10 ETFs actually got zero inflows for the day. And the only date where which is, as of today, is there's no more ETFs that have reported this, not reported inflows. So, GBTC, Grayscale, outflows on any day since the SEC spot Bitcoin approval. And this is with the newborn 9 ETFs, but they have not yet to report a day of outflows. But it said that it's going down, it's tapering down to 108 million, which is the lowest since the first day of trading. And it's pushing the total net outflows past $6 billion, but it actually seen an upper intake, a slower up intake of inflows across NFTs or EFTs altogether. So if you're really wondering, $1.5 billion of net inflows, it actually goes to around 33,611 Bitcoin. That's where $1.5 billion will get you, which is really, really good. But it shows that it has really good momentum towards the Bitcoin ETF. So also let me know in the comment section below too, as well as, like, what do you think? Are you positive towards the Bitcoin ETFs even after that really slow kind of launch going on of their approval? So let me know in the comment section below. Also, Ethereum was drained from some exchanges, so this either the eigenlayer is either destroying Ethereum or sapping it, or are bulls coming. So this is a big thing as well. So Ethereum in multiple different mainstream exchanges like Coinbase and Binance actually hit a pretty new low. And according to Leon Weidman on Twitter, over 7 million Ethereum have actually been withdrawn since April of last year. That's pretty big. But it is net bullish for the coin. And it could be hinting that there's other on-chain activities like NFT minting or some DeFis are actually taking advantage or taking the center stage for everything. But also, at the same time, the drop comes because of the rise of restaking, and that was enabled by like Eigenlayer, and it's actually getting more interest as well. And also they had by its ongoing airdrop, which is wanting to incentivize participation. So outflow from the coin exchanges is pretty much the leading indicator for scarcity and some bullish sentiment as well. So you can use like Binance, Coinbase as conduits to either shift to stable coins or fiat, or participate in DeFi or NFT because it's really easy to purchase those coins. But less Ethereum is actually readily available on exchanges and on-chain activity rising. So there's that demand increasing, and that's kind of supporting the prices. So right now, DeFi Llama data has that the broader DeFi ecosystem is actually getting better. It is improving, and the total lock value is expanding. So as of like February the 5th, DeFi had a TVL of around $58 billion. So that's actually up from $36 billion from mid-October of last year. And Eigenlayer is actually getting the restakers right. So the restake, and what that is that you can earn additional rewards by securing other protocols. And also, as of yesterday, is actually Eigenlayer is restaking staked Ethereum from over 10 different protocols. So, and that's like Swill, Lido, Rocket Pool, Anchor, and Coinbase. So that's probably where our Ethereum's going if you're in the search for it now. And Chainlink, if you notice, if you've been on the market, has actually jumped really huge. So there's around a $42 million accumulation for Chainlink, which is pretty massive, right? So the market value is going up more, and it comes because of that accumulation of linked tokens. Now, there was Look On Chain actually found this, but it's if you're not sure who Look On Chain is, they are a blockchain analytics firm. It's called a mysterious whale or institution. Now they posted on X or Twitter, however you want to call it, a mysterious whale / institution is accumulating link. We noticed that a total of 47 fresh wallets withdrew $2,237,504 link, $42.38 million worth from Binance in the last 2 days, and they gave you an address list with a Google Doc spreadsheet. So pretty big. And also it seems that a whale, this is the same. An Etherscan, they're giving you the hashes to that. So now they tweeted that. It was a tweet as well. So 47 wallets, and a day prior, it was reported around 227,350 tokens, $4.2 million, and an average of 18.1 per link was withdrawn from Binance. Now, they were kind of scrolling across all over 8 newly created wallets that were held exclusively, linked tokens. So the big question is like, really, who's holding that? So, but right now the price of Link is around $19.09, around 2% increase in the last day or so, which is a 41.9% over the last 30 days. Also, the 24-hour trading volume for Link has also seen a big jump. It jumped up by almost 6%, 5.81%. To reach around $941 million. 941.5, something like that. Well, okay, $499.68. Now, it is growing more and more confidence for people. We've seen Link really jump up even since the ETF as well, if you've noticed, and Arbitrum as well jumped. But Chainlink's role is also, I think you guys probably already know, because it gives that real-world data to smart contracts, and it's pretty critical for blockchain applications. So it's a pretty strong asset within the blockchain ecosystem. Now, so that is rather an aggressive accumulation, but we need to see really what's going on. So what's happening? Some analysts are actually looking at the situation, and they're trying to figure out what is the whole intentions behind it, and the impact on future Chainlink and the broader cryptocurrency. So really, to be able to tell what's happening more, we need to find out where it's going and why. But potentially, the market structure could be held quite strong, or it could actually reverse. We just need to see what's going on furthermore. All right, guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining me. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And while you're there, subscribe and click that bell icon to stay up to date with your latest crypto news.